the Monetary Policy Committee decided to keep the monetary policy rate unchanged at 8.5%, having raised it by 0.5 percentage points in February. This was to allow for the last policy rate adjustment to take full effect on the economy. The decision took account of the existing vulnerabilities in the financial sector and the fragile growth outlook at the time. It was noted that although inflation was projected to remain above the upper bound of the 6 to 8% target range over the forecast horizon, which is 8 quarters, inflationary pressures were projected to ease faster than earlier anticipated, particularly towards the end of the forecast horizon, so effectively from 2022 into 2023. This was at the back of improved supply of food, particularly maize and wheat, following a strong crop harvest, the higher than anticipated copper prices, which we have seen since the beginning of the year, and improved external financing. Ladies and gentlemen, annual inflation for May increased to 23.2% from 22.7% in April 2021. The increase in the annual rate of inflation was mainly attributed to past sustained depreciation of the kwacha and the low supply of some food items before the crop harvest hit the market. Our expectation is that going forward, inflationary pressures will begin to subside on account of the strong supply of maize, which has followed the strong harvest. Ladies and gentlemen, discussions for this seminar will mainly cover monetary policy. However, we will also discuss the targeted medium-term refinancing facility, because this was part of our measures to support the economy. And we'll also discuss developments in the payment system. Again, this is an area where we've tried to push payment system developments to help us deal with some aspects of the COVID pandemic as well. And we really hope to generate interactive discussions between yourselves and the bank staff. And as you will note, we have all the critical players in the bank who deal with the various sections which we'll be discussing, and I hope that this will really enable you to have a strong interactive period here. If I turn now to issues around the payment system, just to make some brief remarks before I close, Zambia has continued to make significant progress in the digital transformation agenda, especially in the area of digital financial services. For example, the number of active MNO-based mobile money users increased by 77%, from 4.8 million as of December 31, 2019, to 8.6 million as of December 31st, 2020. According to the FinScope survey of 2020, financial inclusion increased by 10.1 percentage points to 69.4% from 59.3% in 2015. And this was mainly attributable to mobile money use. It is worth noting that these digital payment options have been instrumental in facilitating trade and commerce amidst the COVID-19 pandemic.